Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle I will do in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, June the 22nd, 2021. We have the fourth and last puzzle I will solve, and it's a 4 stars not Sudoku, but a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And this one will be number 2988. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Wow. Could be a hard one. Yes. But it also could be an easy one. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Do we have any single boxes here in this puzzle? I see 2 single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Dual boxes. No dual boxes. No, I can't see them. I see here a triple box. The 2 is already filled in, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. I do not know in which order, so I mark those 2 numbers. Do we have more triple boxes? Here also triple box. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Let me see. Quadra box. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction or structure, you name it. For example, the L shape. Here we have the L shape. Let me draw this. The L shape. Upside down. Yes, upside down. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes or L figures? No, I see here the T shape or T figure. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Here another T shape, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, we have a 3 here. Okay. So those boxes are connected with each other. More T shapes, more T figures. No. Then the following figure, this one. Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following figure. Let me see which. How about this one? The Z construction, or the Z shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also this box has the same number as that box. So those 3 are connected with each other. Then the following shape, this one. Yes, this one. Oh. Yeah, this one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, more of these kind of shapes? No. Another one. So this box has the same name as that box, so it's connected with each other. Those are the shapes or figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are 5, but there are more. But in this puzzle, 5 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Then it's easier to fill the numbers. So the next stage, the next strategy is to filling. Let's get started with filling the numbers. All right. So these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1. Oh wait, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Alright, those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay. Then I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2, alright. Then this box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, and this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. 1, 2, 4, 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. I think, let me see. No. These 2 boxes, into this triple box, it contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2 or a 3. We have a 2 and a 3 there in this, in those 2 boxes. And it cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be a 4. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this T shape area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 3. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place a 3 here, because we have a 2 and a 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there, and the 5 goes here. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1 or a 4. We have a 1 and a 4 here. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area. Z constriction for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. That means this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. This box is also connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 3 or a 5. Can it be a 2? So it's 2. Can it be 2? Yes. So it's 1 or 4. But we already have a 4 in this area. So this box should be a 1. Yeah. So 2 boxes left, a 3 and a 5. As a pair. Yeah. Yeah. Here can it be 3 or 5. Alright, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Yeah, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box should be a 1. And that box should be, is connected with that box should be also a 1. Alright, those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 5. We have a double 2 here, double 5 here. Cannot be a 2 and a 5. So the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 3. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2. And this box will be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this cross area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Oh, 3 and 2. Correction. 2 and a 3. We have already a 5 here. So 2 and a 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. If I place a 4 here, this box is connected with the 4. So this box should be a 4, but we already have a 4. So it's not a solution to place the 4 there or here. So here can be a 4, there cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 5. This box is connected with also that box 2 and 5, but we already have a 2 here, so it cannot be a 2. This should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 5 here. We have here 3 and a 5. It cannot be a 5 in this box, so the 5 should be there, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this Z constriction for the number 3. 4 and the 5 we have here. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think no thinking. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. Alright. 2 and 3. Now we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box. Wait. 1, 3. Oh, interesting. So 3 missing numbers now. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore, because otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4 now, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow! Amazing. 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more. Yes. And I've solved this in 15 minutes. So is this a 4 stars? I give this a 3. No, 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because of 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And no. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes I need for a 3 stars. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Publisher. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus or puzzles to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonics, playlists for the 4-star Sudoku, for the 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the binary Sudokus, for the killer Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe. You will find them all those playlists. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Yes. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. Yes. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And we will meet again tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.